guys, another day. Today is Monday. Just chasing more still ahead there. Just me and my brother here. Started early. Gonna fish for a few hours. I gotta go back to work, so we'll see how today will be. Hopefully not too many people there. Parking lot's not too many people over there, but we don't know until we get to the spot. Love it not. Yellow. Okay, follow. Yellow. Woo. Nice one there. One down. All right, guys. Check that out. That's a beauty right here. Whew. Hook right there. Looks like a nice buck there. All right, guys. That's a beauty right here. 10-minute in. Yeah, this one here. Got a pretty good morning already there. Let's fish more. Got 2 more to go. My fish. Still tagging my fish, and he got one already. Okay, put your line down the water, but yeah. Woo. Nice one. It's a hatchery too. Woo. They like your black color, eh?
Right?
Yeah.
First cast.
Woo. Yeah.
First cast.
First cast on that collar there. You nail it. That's a beauty too. lucky. Pretty lucky there, man. Lúc này nó có đi không? Có một luôn à? Man, good day. Good day. All right, break time. Noodle time. The fishing was good this morning there, but it just dead after that. Okay, man, we were heading out. A few hours fishing in the morning here. We did okay. We each got one. So first thing in the morning, we got there. Less than 20 minutes. Yep. I got one. My brother got one. And now it's all like 10 something there. We gotta go home. Get back home, so we gotta go work tonight. It's a real quick fishing today, so that's a heavy pack back home there to the car. 2 fish in the big trash bag there.